How to uninstall BandagedBD from your Discord application. So this is my Discord. I'll go to user settings. When I scroll down, you can see this BandagedBD is showing these apps and BandagedBD, but I want to uninstall it. So how I will do it? I need to open this link. I will share you this link in the description of this video. I need to download it. After downloading it, you will get this file, exe file. Just open this file, click on accept, click on next. Herein you will get this option, uninstall BandagedBD. So click on this. Okay, click on this, click on next, click on this, click on uninstall. You can see uninstallation is complete. Click on close. Now BandagedBD is completely uninstalled and Discord is now restarting. Now go to user settings again. Scroll down. There is no BandagedBD. I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. It is very easy. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and keep supporting me by subscribing my channel. Bye bye friends. Take care.